State Surveillance Officer Dr. Sanasam Gopal highlighted the challenges posed by zoonotic diseases in the Valley districts during World Zoonosis Day 2024 observance at Nungoy Awang Laikai Community Hall in Imphal East District. He stated that since the beginning of the year, 9 deaths were reported from dog bites and 30 cases of animal-transmitted diseases have emerged. He emphasized the significance of July 6, World Zoonosis Day, marking the anniversary of the first human rabies vaccination trial. Gopal noted that approximately 61% of diseases are transmitted from animals to humans. He raised concern about the delayed treatment for diseases like scrub typhus, where traditional beliefs often lead people to seek non-medical intervention due to symptoms being mistaken for spiritual possession. He also pointed out that in many rabies cases, the affected individuals were bitten by their own dogs. Dr. Gopal urged the public to support efforts against zoonotic diseases and prioritize timely treatment to prevent further fatalities. Students, villagers, ASHA workers, village federation members, District Malaria Officer Dr. T. Napoleon, Senior Specialist Dr. N. Romila and District Program Manager of Imphal East attended the observance.
Infectious disease 61% the department is highly infectious disease 61%
CMO Dr. L. Indira pointed out that Zoonosis Day is being observed to raise public awareness about infectious diseases transmitted from animals to humans. She stated that this year's theme, One World, One Health, Prevent Zoonosis, emphasizes the importance of prevention strategies to mitigate zoonotic risk, drawing parallels to preventive measures adopted during the COVID-19 pandemic.
Lainnya apa? Virus sendopa, bacteria sendopa, fungus sendopa, parasite sendopa lainnya. Aduga, apa yang aku kata saya? Ada na lainnya banyak nimble sendopa. Aduh, ada na lainnya kan mulai beda sendopa saya. Segi prasida, veterinary Amazon Health Department, ini pusat naraga, serta Amazon Community Involvement saya. Si aduh penting dapat oleh.
ACMLA K.H. Ibomcha has highlighted the issues of discipline and respect within families, noting that some parents, despite their hard work in nurturing their children, end up in old age homes as their children neglect to care for them. The MLA announced plans to hand over Nungoy Awang Laikai Club to the community before Yaosheng Sports Festival. He also mentioned that 5 horsepower pump sheds will be provided and that repairs to the inter-village road passing through Nungoy will be completed by March.
खराब मिलते हैं एकदम नहीं है खराब मिलते हैं एकदम नहीं है कोई समस्या तो ये नहीं है अदाई में खर्चा बना मिलते हैं सिरा मिलते हैं सिरा है से कोई नहीं फमी लगा सीमा वो ना है से को भी मामला कोई थे खराब नहीं लाइन चलवा मिलते हैं ले लो कोई थे तो फमी लगा कोई थे ना सी को वो ना कोई यार ना ले तो नहीं लगा खराब जाती है ना ये कर